In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add links to Trello card description. Adding a clear, clickable link inside a card's description is a simple way to point teammates to specs, docs, or files without cluttering the card. Here's how to do it smoothly from start to finish. Start by opening your Trello board and clicking any card where you want to add the link. This opens the card details in a panel. If you're working in a busy board, it can help to open the card in a new browser tab so you can refer back to your board later. Inside the card, find the description section. Click directly in the description area to start editing. If it's empty, you'll see a prompt inviting you to add more details. If there's already text, you can place your cursor wherever you want the link to appear. With the editor active, look for the formatting toolbar and click the link icon. It looks like a small chain link. That opens the Insert Link dialog, so you can set up a proper hyperlink instead of pasting a raw URL. In the link field, paste the full URL you want people to visit. Use the complete address, including HTTPS, so Trello can recognize it as a valid link. A quick pro tip: double-check the link in a separate tab first to make sure it loads the exact page you intend, especially if you're sharing a private doc that requires access permissions. Next, in the display text field, type the label you want everyone to see in the description, keeping it short and descriptive, like project brief, sprint plan, or design mockups makes the description easier to scan. If you had highlighted text before clicking the link icon, that text will appear here automatically, and you can adjust it if needed. When everything looks right, click Insert. You'll see your display text turn into a clickable link right inside the description. If you change your mind later, you can edit the description again and adjust or remove the link. Depending on your view, Trello may save changes automatically. If you see a save button, click it to confirm the update. That's all there is to it. You opened a card, edited the description, used the link icon, pasted your URL, wrote clear display text, and inserted a clean, professional-looking link. This small step keeps key resources one click away and helps your team stay aligned without hunting through comments or attachments. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing in Trello.